Welcome back to SK Auto Review. Today we are exploring one of the most extreme and attention-grabbing vehicles expected for 2026, the Hummer H1 Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury fortress built for people who want power, presence, and complete freedom on the road. The original Hummer H1 was already legendary for its military-grade toughness, and the 2026 motorhome version takes that legacy and blends it with premium living comfort in a way we've never seen before. From the moment you step inside the 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome, you instantly realize this is not a typical RV. The interior is designed to feel both rugged and luxurious at the same time. High-quality leather seats, reinforced trim, and soft-touch surfaces dominate the cabin. The driving cockpit feels like a command center with a massive digital instrument cluster, a wide touchscreen infotainment system, and heavy-duty controls that give you a true off-road warrior feeling. The seats are fully power-adjustable with heating, ventilation, and memory functions, making long drives comfortable even in extreme weather conditions. Moving into the living area, the H1 Motorhome surprises with how spacious and smartly designed it is. You get a full lounge setup with a convertible sofa, premium wood or carbon fiber style finishes, ambient lighting, and large panoramic windows that bring in natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, sink, and plenty of storage cabinets. Everything is built with vibration-resistant materials to handle off-road adventures. The sleeping area offers a comfortable queen-size bed with overhead storage, soft LED lighting, and climate controls. The bathroom is also fully functional with a standing shower, modern toilet system, and compact vanity, making this motorhome perfect for long road trips without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about what really defines the Hummer, its performance. The 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome is expected to come with a massively powerful powertrain. Most reports suggest a high-output turbo diesel V8 or a hybrid-assisted power system designed to produce extreme torque. We could be looking at over 500 horsepower with torque figures that easily cross 900 Nm. This kind of power is necessary because the H1 Motorhome is a heavy beast, built with reinforced chassis, armor-style panels, and off-road hardware. The transmission is expected to be a heavy-duty automatic with multiple terrain modes for sand, rock, snow, and highway driving. The legendary four-wheel drive system remains the heart of this vehicle. With locking differentials, portal axles, adjustable air suspension, and massive all-terrain tires, the 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome can go places where normal motorhomes would never survive. Water fording capability, extreme ground clearance, and underbody protection allow it to tackle deserts, mountains, and muddy trails with confidence. Despite its size, the advanced suspension system should provide a surprisingly smooth ride on highways as well. Technology also plays a big role in the 2026 upgrade. The infotainment system is expected to support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, and 360-degree camera monitoring. Because this is a large vehicle, multiple external cameras and parking sensors are standard to help with maneuvering in tight areas. Safety features may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring, and advanced stability control systems. For a vehicle of this size and weight, these features are essential. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, because this is where reality hits hard. The 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome is not built to save fuel. It is built to dominate. With its massive engine and heavy body, fuel consumption will be high compared to regular SUVs or even standard RVs. Buyers of this type of vehicle are usually not concerned about mileage, they care more about power, reliability, and off-grid capability. However, if a hybrid system is introduced, it could slightly improve efficiency and reduce emissions, especially during low-speed driving and camping operations. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome will sit firmly in the ultra-luxury, ultra-performance category. Based on customization levels, interior luxury, and powertrain options, the expected starting price could range from around $300,000 and easily go beyond $500,000 for fully loaded custom builds. This is not a mass-market vehicle. It is aimed at collectors, off-road enthusiasts, adventure travelers, and people who want one of the most unique motorhomes in the world. The biggest strength of the 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome is its unmatched road presence. Wherever it goes, it turns heads. It combines military toughness with modern luxury living, something very few vehicles in the world can offer. It is ideal for extreme overland travel, off-grid camping, disaster response use, and luxury adventure touring. However, it's also important to understand that this vehicle is not designed for crowded city driving or tight urban parking. Its size and weight demand open roads and wide spaces. In conclusion, the 2026 Hummer H1 Motorhome is a symbol of absolute power.